Here is how to access templates in InDesign. Okay, let's have this. So to access templates in InDesign, you go to templates, which is, it says a new. I've never clicked it before, so I don't use templates. So you click on templates and then it pops up the view. Where is that showing? Really can see that. So I'll just click on home. I'm not sure where that is showing. It's not popping up for some reasons. Shared with you files. What? My PC is low. Why is it not charging? Just a second about that. Just toggle that on so it can charge. Okay, lovely. So I think it's loading. It's loading. Files loading. Now since loading. We just give it a pause until it loads. All right, so when you go to templates, you click on templates. It pops up a window, and when it pops up that window, it's Adobe Express. The templates are available on Adobe Express. So what you can do is that you can access Adobe Express template from InDesign, and you can start with a template in the InDesign home screen and customize them in Adobe Express. Adobe Express is like Canva. You can open it now, right now. Yeah, so you can go to Adobe Express, Google it, and then you can do that. Then you can also design books cover, design anything. So if I pick on any of these templates, I can start using them right away. I'll pick on AI Factory, it appeals to me. And when I click on Adobe Express, it will take me to Adobe Express websites, which I'm just gonna drag to the screen now. So, and then what it does is that it leads me in there and I can start editing it. So selects the template in InDesign home screen, and then in Adobe Express template dialog, you can select template to preview and then customize it the way you want. So I'm not so sure why it's taking some time. So yeah, it's showing it up. It's taking some time. Well, that's the way it works. Generally, it could be network, it could be pressure on my system, it could be server. But the thing is, eventually it will load, and when it loads, you can then start designing. Yeah, once it loaded, you can start designing. So it's getting everything ready, as you can see. Access other apps and services on this device. Yes, I will allow it so that everything can sync. Mm, yeah. So it shows my stuff. I think it syncs it to my original Adobe. Now I have the cover here and I can start editing. So that's simply how it works. Okay, so you can edit so just the okay, this is a quick walkthrough for you so that you can know how it works, the works and more. And immensely skip all of those things. You can start editing page. I can say bye Ola Sukari. What's happening there? It's still working. I really end up. So that's basically how it works. And once on can